Dear Josh, you asked me how to make a TikTok edit on your new Mac, and I am your champion. Let's go. Open QuickTime Player software, which comes free. Select Start a new screen recording and select Record entire screen. Record your footage and use the top navigation bar to stop the screen record. Locate the iMovie application, which comes free, and select Create a new project. Import your media from your QuickTime screen record. Take your media and drag it on to the timeline. You can trim your edge by clicking and dragging, and then dropping a title into the front. Modify in the top right window. To split your footage and add an additional title, use the top navigation bar, Split Footage, and drop your title. More options are available for fonts and colors by using the top right modification window. Transitions may be added to smooth the transitions between titles and video content. You can adjust the crop on your video content up in the top right modification window, crop to fit, or test out the Ken Burns options to add some drama to your image. When you're ready to send it over to TikTok, go back up to the navigation bar, click File, Share File, label your file, click Next, export it into your Mac, and a Share Successful notification will pop up. Here we are in TikTok. Taking a look at some of the tools, we have changed the orientation of the image, so it's now full screen by clicking the original button that popped up. And we're exploring different options. By selecting a range of footage that you're interested in adding an effect to, that will add the effect. So I think I'd like to add some stars. And then on my transition title, I think it would be cool to add a swirl effect. Once that's done, let's add some music. I'm going to search around, and I think I'd like to go with a classic. Yeah, that voice line. That sounds good. There we go. That's perfect for Naruto. Add the music in, and I can adjust the background sound and the foreground sound in case I'd like to add some voiceover and narration. And now I'm ready to export. Don't forget your hashtags, and don't forget to tag your favorite teacher. Have fun!